What's up everybody, Silvio 3D right here. My name is Silvio, I am a 3D artist and welcome to my channel. I have been working in this field for a couple of years, but until today I'm still learning a lot of new things. And this is one of the reasons I wanted to start this channel, because I want to share with you the knowledge I acquired over the years, but of course to learn more and more new things. You want to start 3D, right? And for different reasons. Maybe you study architecture, or you are an interior designer and you want to show your clients the results before they start to modify or to build. Or you study gaming, or you want to create a game and you want to know how to model the 3D models and how to integrate them in the game. And it's very difficult in the beginning, especially if you don't want to buy online courses or go to a school. And you are going to type of Google 3D softwares or 3D programs or how to 3D like I did myself when I started to learn. And you will find there a big list of 3D softwares and a lot of tutorials about many things, because this industry is very big. I mean, you have 3D models, you have gaming, you have environment, you have texturing, you have lighting, and it's very confusing and don't know where to start. And after you learn those things, you'll start to think, wait a second, can I make some money from this? Can I make a living from this? How can I get my first job? What my portfolio should look like? How can I start? How can I do something to live by this? So I'll try to cover all of those aspects in my future videos. So guys, if you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe, to like this video so many people can see it, and leave a comment down below with the subjects you'd like me to cover in the future videos. Bye!